Lestov Automatic Noodle Boiler. Engineered for commercial kitchens, sleek design, robust build. Ideal for all restaurant back-of-house environments. 6 independent baskets, clear zoning, large capacity. Cooks multiple orders at once for peak hour efficiency. Easy to operate, simply place noodles, rice noodles, and other ingredients into the baskets for effortless preparation with no complex setup required. Features a clear and intuitive control panel. One-touch time setting ensures precise timing, making it easy for new users to operate quickly and achieve standardized results. Fully automatic temperature-controlled cooking, non-manual. Monitoring needed. Steady boiling ensures even heating and consistent texture for every order. Once timed out, the baskets rise automatically together. No manual scooping required, boosting efficiency and saving labor in the kitchen. The baskets drain cleanly, finished dishes are ready fast. Streamlined serving processes effectively shorten customer wait times. Springy, smooth, vivid-colored noodles with uniform quality per bowl that builds steady store reputation and boosts overall operational efficiency. Lestov Automatic Noodle Boiler, smart kitchen innovation for efficient, hassle-free, standardized cooking. Your best solution to lower costs and raise profits.